So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be installing my intake. Okay, so here's my new intake. I'm gonna be installing for today. So I'm going to open it, then show you guys the contents. So I have this piece, I have this one, the brand is Takeda. Okay, and now I'll be just opening the hood of my car.
No, 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 no.
So first things we're gonna do, we're gonna put this thread locker into this end piece, and then we're gonna insert it on that piece. Okay, now we're gonna tighten this piece. How many extenders are there?
This is about as many as you need just to like get one bolt, which is this bolt. Maybe you don't need that many, but it's way easier. Last bolt over here. So there's 3 bolts that hold this whole intake area in. Move my hand so we don't lose them, because you're probably going to need to reuse them. Put the other one in. Push that in. You basically just push these little buttons in right at the top, and it just makes your life way easier than those other stupid clips. Yeah, they just break the second you try and remove it. Alright, now we got to get this off, and to do that, there are... Is it both of them? I'm not sure. I'm going to remove this one first, and then test fit it and see. I don't want to go all the way down. What? I saw they have clamps, yeah. Should I just go right to the last one and just do it? Yeah, that's actually probably a good idea also. I should probably read it.
Let's see if it shows for me. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the last one. You know what I just realized we forgot to do? Before and after sound video. So at the beginning,
we did
You
at
did
the
the
start,
close.
no? The
that's the exhaust though, not the intake, because
that's true.
intake makes a big difference.
Just squeeze it in, squeeze it out.
Very nice. Now let's put them side by side real quick.
Comparison.
Look at the difference. So
It's more.
yeah, way nicer. So yeah, okay. Hello.
The bong.
That wasn't that bad. Dealt with worse. Here, Bert, can you come hold it over here like this? Hold it. Make sure it's sitting perfect. Let's put this on.
This goes here.
Yeah, I'll do it in a sec, wait. Go.
Now we're locking everything.
Brand new, it's easy.
Yeah. Okay, so
Now time for the
I'm pretty sure what this does is it changes the sound. So if this is out, it'll be a little bit louder. If it's on, it'll be a little bit quieter. Well, we'll test it, but I've never seen something like that before. So she went with the wet filter versus the dry filter. It just works a little bit better airflow, so we went with the better one, obviously. So this is it. It's quite big. It's a little greasy, but that's how it's supposed to be. And inside looks pretty cool. This is AFE. Let me turn it around. AFE right there. Love the detail. So, all right. So let's put this on.
okay,
It's gonna
now
be a time lapse anyway.
So now we're just reusing the old bolts, making sure it fits.
I
It
don't
only
have a
uses 2
bolt.
bolts.
I don't have a bolt. So on this new one, there's only 2 bolts. One over there and one over here.
Yeah, you want to put those clips in?
Now we're gonna put the clips
Do some work.
in. There you go. Nice. How you open this?
Flathead.
It looks nice.
Looks way better than the stock one, that's for sure. And it's gonna sound so good. So Jonah has a tune plan for this car. And to do the tune, it was required that we get an aftermarket intake. So that's
Thanks
what we
to
did.
N75 Motorsports.
That's right. That's everything. Backwards. They put the box
So
in first.
that space over there,
So much easier.
it's normal.
Yeah, it says right here,
According to the manual.
the small gap between the 16 mil hex and the tube is normal. So it's just because the fitting, the end piece that screws in is just slightly too long, and that's the outcome. So just make sure you put enough thread locker on it and it won't go anywhere. so you can start it up. Smells pretty good. It's more louder. So yeah, spiritual intake, quick install. Definitely check it out. Now we're gonna swap forward and see if I can test it for a new phone.
Okay, so now we're going to test drive it just around the corners. Let's swap, boy. Damn. Shit cakes. So that's it, guys. Hope you like it. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell button for more upcoming videos. See ya!